Hello, this is Philemon from Josela, joined the food family in Tanzania, and we have bought this machine from Cornext Company, the silage lapping machine. And here we're having a technician who has come to install the machine. Actually, the machine is working very much perfectly. And the bells, as you can see, they are very much compact and they're very good for, sealed. It cannot allow the air to go in. And also we have a little bit lesson that to get to understand how to use this machine to operate, and also some other important things. Actually, we have enjoyed the service and we love these guys. And here in Tanga, Tanzania, I think we'll be finding a little solution for animal feed. So using this machine, we'll be able to make silage, and which will be helping us farmers to to find a solution for animal feeds and also nutrition purpose. Our company is aiming at improving the dairy business in Tanzania, trying to mechanize through mechanization services. So we have one of our regional dairy entrepreneur here in Tanga, Mr. Shaw, who will be presenting us. You're welcome, Mr. Shaw. This is our regional dairy business entrepreneur who will be using our machines here in Tanga. He'll be providing services to different farmers. By using these farmers, also you'll be able to, to sell this silage to the farmers at a very low price, which will be affordable for the farmer. And we are very much thankful to have you guys to service us. Besides selling us this machine, also you have come to provide a service, and also you have given us the chance that we'll be able to contact you when we have any challenge concerning the machine. So it's really interesting for your company, and I would like to welcome Mr. Shaw. If he has any few words or comments about the machine, I think it will be good for our review over the machine.
Thank you, Philemon. Actually, we are very thankful for the Cornext company providing us the machine, and we are happy actually now we can really solve the feed problem for the farmers. We're making silage, and actually these bales are over 5 kg, which actually is not very heavy for us to carry to the farms. So actually we are perfect. Thank you for coming here for the installation of the machine, and naturally we are happy now it's working very well. Thank you very much.
Hey. So to finish up, I would like to thank Mr. Mahesh, a technician from Cornext Company. You are welcome in Tanzania. Here we speak Swahili. When you hear people say habari, you say salama. So it's some kind of normal greeting. Sometimes you can find mambo. So you find a person in the street, you say mambo, and you can say poa, and that's how we greet. So it's some kind of hi and I too. So thanks so much, Cornext Company. We are Josela. We hear you grow. Thanks so much.